Hi lovelies, join me. Let's prepare a very quick lunch for my family. Today being Sunday and we are eating Egusi and Eba in my house. So I'll just go ahead to add my palm oil and I'll add the Egusi. Then I'll fry this for a minimum of 10 to 15 minutes. Once the Egusi is well fried, then I'll go ahead to add some meat stock and then I'll add some water as well. So and I'll allow this to fry on a low to medium heat for another 20 minutes. I love to cook my egusi very well because if it's not properly cooked, it gives me heartburn. So once I've added the water, I will fry this on a low to medium heat and I will keep stirring in between those 20 minutes because egusi soup get burnt easily. Now my egusi soup is properly fried and I'm just gonna head to transfer it into my proteins. Just make use of any protein of your choice when cooking your soup. So once I transfer this, I'll add more water because this one is thick. It depends on how thick or how light you want your soup to be. Once I added more water, added some pepper, added some crayfish, added some more seasoning cubes. Mind you, egusi tend to be so salty, so at this point I didn't add any salt because the crayfish, the seasoning cubes, the seasonings I used to season my proteins is enough for me not to add salt. So once my soup is well seasoned, and I'll just cover it to simmer for another 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'll go ahead to add my vegetables. I'm making use of spinach. You can make use of any vegetable of your choice. So once I added my vegetables, I'll allow to simmer for another 1 minute, and then my soup is ready. I just go ahead to make the swallow, and we are pairing this with eba. Tell me, which swallow would you like to pair with this particular soup? For me, I enjoyed mine with eba. So tell me in the comment section, do you prefer to fry method of egusi or do you prefer other methods? For me, I make anyone, but frying method is the least preferred method that I always make my egusi. But sometimes we need to try other methods. So for me today, I make the frying method, but that is not my favorite method of making egusi because you have to use a lot of palm oil when frying the egusi, and I don't like that. So here is our soup, and guys, this tasted so good. Thank you once again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to join the family, like the video, share to your family and friends, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.